In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Colossyan support. If you ever run into a question or need a quick hand, reaching support directly inside Colossyan is simple and fast. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and share a few tips to make sure your message gets the right attention the first time. Start by logging into your Colossyan account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're on a stable connection so the dashboard loads fully. If you work with multiple teams or workspaces, double check that you're in the right place before moving on. That way support can see the correct context for your account. Once you're in, look down at the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll find your profile area there. This is typically shown as your avatar or initials. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This quick click brings up the options you need without leaving your current page. In the profile menu, select Chat with Us. This opens Colossyan's built-in support messenger. You should see a small chat window appear on the side or corner of your screen. Give it a moment to load if your connection is busy. Now use this feature to reach support. Type a short, clear description of what you need. It helps to mention what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. If there's an error message, include the exact wording. Keeping explanations focused and concise makes it easier for the support team to help quickly. If the chat allows file uploads, you can attach non-sensitive screenshots to illustrate the issue. Avoid sharing private or confidential details. You only need enough information for the team to understand and reproduce the problem. If the chat window doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page and opening your profile menu again. Also check that pop-up or script blockers aren't preventing the messenger from loading. Once the chat is open, keep the tab active so you don't miss replies. Some chat widgets offer notifications. Enable them if prompted so you'll know as soon as someone responds. That's all there is to it. Log into Colossyan, click your profile at the bottom left, choose Chat with Us, and use the messenger to contact support. Clear details, a calm description, and any helpful, non-sensitive context will get you to a solution faster. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need without any hassle.